As a country, we face a generational transition. Vana vesa vari below 35, they are crying out for help. The country is in a mess. Arusuru, we know we are inheriting a mess. We know this country has been left with nothing.
Citizens Coalition for Change leader, Advocate Chamisa, has issued a statement to the nurses on International Nurses Day. In a tweet, he says, "Happy International Nurses Day to all our care workers. Every nation needs a nurse care every day, everywhere. Nurses around the world bring back smiles and health-saving lives. Sadly, Zimbabwe's finest and top-quality nurses are leaving the country because we don't care about them." Zimbabwean health sector has been hit by massive exodus of health workers following failure by the government of the Republic of Zimbabwe to pay them better salaries. Zimbabwean nurses are the lowest paid in the whole world, being given a salary of 45,000 RTGS, which can be translated to less than 45 United States dollars using the interbank rate, but far much less are using the black market rate, where every citizen is accessing United States dollars, which are meant to pay for rentals, for school fees, for transport fares, and also buy groceries. Zimbabwe President Emerson Mnangagwa has refused to engage with the workers and also has neglected the workforce from the health sector, and the norm goes across the entire civil service. Several nurses have been leaving Zimbabwe to seek greener pastures in the UK and other countries like United States of America, Canada, and Australia. Zimbabwe does have the best nurses world over, but they are neglected and they are underpaid, and they cannot pay rentals for themselves, not to talk about buying themselves vehicles for emergencies or the houses for their children. In Zimbabwe, when a doctor is called for an emergency, he is forced to hire a taxi for him to be able to attend to that emergency, because they do not afford to buy themselves vehicles, and this has been a problem across the nation. As the 2023 elections get closer, the civil servants in the nation of Zimbabwe have agreed to support Advocate Chamisa, and through their various organizations or worker representatives, they have expressed dissatisfaction and they have vowed to vote for change in the upcoming elections as Zimbabwe gears up for a revolution through the ballot.